BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has been rolling out quite a couple of significant updates to the Microsoft Store of late. Two of which is that, as I posted a couple of months ago, that the Microsoft Store is finally much faster on Windows and opens up on Windows 10 and Windows 11 a lot quicker than it used to do back in the day. And a recent development was this new What's New changelog that Microsoft added to the store recently. Now, just to let you know, with this week's latest Dev and Canary channel build that rolled out to the Insider program, recently build 26100, which is a strong possibility to be the release to manufacturers build for this year for Windows 11 24H2. And by the way, that video will be in the end screen. Microsoft has now announced over on X a couple of performance improvements they've rolled out now with a store update to the Canary and Dev Channel Insiders version 22,403 of the Microsoft Store, where they say one of the main focuses of the new Microsoft Store release was on performance. Now, just to go through some of these performance improvements as posted by Microsoft over on X recently, and because this is in the Canary and Dev Channel program, I'm sure these will roll out with version 24H2, if not sooner. Now, if we just head over to one or two GIFs provided by Microsoft, here's the first one. They say product pages are now loading 40% faster on average. So if we just have a look at this GIF, obviously current is on the top, optimized, the new store is on the bottom. So they say product pages are now loading 40% faster on average. So let's just have a look at that one more time. There we go. So that's the first improvement. And they also say that they've optimized how the application manages entitlement and licensing results in the buy button being displayed approximately 1.5 times faster. So that's the next little example. So if we watch that, there we go. So they've optimized how the application manager manages entitlement and licensing, resulting in the buy button, according to Microsoft, being displayed approximately 1.5 times faster. And then the next improvement is for the actual launch time, which they are also improving upon. And here we can see a couple of interesting things taking place. If we just start this GIF, once again, we can see they've changed how the application launches, and they say, and manages the splash screen, resulting in a smoother launch experience, which I'm actually quite happy to see. I think although the Microsoft Store is launching a lot faster in the stable version, there is still room for improvement. So as mentioned, they've just started rolling out this new version of the Microsoft Store to Windows insiders in the Canary and Dev channels, where they say they are featuring some major performance improvements, and the splash screen can now be entirely skipped in most cases due to this performance boost while launching. And launching the app feels a lot faster, according to Microsoft. So I think this is a nice move. I do still think there's room for improvement when it comes to the launch time when you open and close and navigate through the Microsoft Store. So I think these are improvements that are a nice step forward and a nice move in the right direction. And as mentioned, that's currently in the Canary and Dev channels. So if we don't see it rolling out over the next maybe couple of weeks or month or so, I'm sure we're going to get those improvements rolling out to the stable version with Windows 11 version 24H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.